food enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a healthy and delicious dish that brings together the goodness of cauliflower and the vibrance of spinach. Get ready for Palak dry gobi. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this flavorful journey. Let's start by giving our cauliflower a transformation. Clean and cut the cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Now in a pan, heat water. Once it starts to boil, add salt, turmeric and cauliflower. While our cauliflower is getting ready, let's create a power blend with fresh spinach leaves. Into the blender goes the spinach, creating a vibrant green base for our dish. Let's prepare our crispy batter. In a bowl, combine all-purpose flour, cornstarch, chili, ginger, garlic, coriander paste, palak puree and a pinch of salt and whisk until you achieve a smooth lump-free batter. Take those cauliflower florets and coat them generously in our flavorful batter. Ensure each piece is well coated, creating a delicious crispy outer layer when fried. Heat up oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully drop in the batter-coated cauliflower florets. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. Make sure to fry in batches for an even cooking. Now for the finishing touch, you can sprinkle some chaat masala or fresh lime juice for an extra burst of flavors.